Hi everybody, and welcome back to the DDSB Early Years YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a stop motion app called KomaKoma. I was playing around with it today and I found some really cool ways that we can be using this app in our kindergarten classrooms. And I'm just going to give you a few ideas on how to use it and how to use it, and then I want to know what else you can use it for. So make sure you're leaving me a comment down below to let me know what you can use this app for in your kindergarten classroom, or if you've tried stop motion with your students before. So the KomaKoma app is really basic. You can see that there is a play button, an upload button, a erase button, which is the blue X, and then a capture button, which is the red circle. So I have this iPad propped up on a bin to keep it steady so that I can move things underneath the camera without shifting the camera around, so that it always stays in the same position. I'm going to show you today how I'm going to stop motion a pattern. Again, you can use this for all kinds of things. I just chose this so that it would be easy for me to show you how to use the app. So you start by placing the object in the start position, and then whenever you want to capture an image, you press the red circle button. And then you're going to move it. As you can see, it leaves like an image of the picture that you just took kind of in the background so that you can see what you've done in the previous slide. And then you just keep pressing the red circle button as you place it and as you move your object around. I like to make the next one look like it's coming in at the same time. Again, this is why it's so good to have it stabilized on something. It can be on a chair, it can be on a bin, it can be on anything really. It just making sure that it's not moving around, because if it does move around, these little images won't line up, so that when you go to make your stop motion, it'll look a little odd because it isn't lined up properly. So I'm just going to keep going and going until I get my pattern the way I want it to be. I decided to do a pattern today, but really, again, you could use anything that you wanted, and you just keep moving the objects that you need into the frame. Let's say I took the picture, but my hand was still in the frame. Oh, I don't want my hand to be there. If you press the X, it'll delete the last one that you took. Now my hand's out of the way. I can take the next picture and then move this one up here. I'm sure that our students can get really creative with this app if they wanted to. I've seen it used with a green screen so that students can do their stop motion on the green screen. Then you can use a green screen app to do something in the background. But now that we have the objects where we want them, I'm going to take a few more still images. If you take a few more still images at the end, it'll kind of freeze frame it at the end of the video so that you can see what it looks like and what the completed pattern looks like. Now I want to see what it looks like, so I'm going to press the green play button. And then as you can see, it just puts all those images that I just took all together, and it makes a stop motion video, and then it'll just keep playing over and over and over again until I stop it. Once you have an image that you want, let's say I didn't like the last frame that I took and I just wanted to move that, you can just add that into it. If you wanted to move these down, let's say, and then you would just play the stop motion again. It'll look a little bit odd now because of the way I just moved those at the end, but you can fix it, you can play it as you're going along to make sure you have it the way you want it to look. I'm going to erase the last two that I did because I want it to be the one that I just finished up. So if you're happy with that, you press the yellow upload button and it's going to save it to your camera roll. Now I'm just going to show you a few of the other videos that I made. You can see them here. I thought it'd be cool to play the @word family. So this is just a stop motion video that I made of all the @word family words that I could think of. Now a sight word video that you could play, I just made the sight word. Super easy, students can make their names, any sight words that they know. And the last one, I was just trying some other number one, so I just made the number 5. So So it'd just be interesting to show students what they can do with this app and show them how it works, and then just let them create things on their own. They could create artwork, they could create numbers, or use it for science, or whatever that is that they can dream of, they can create on this app. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn a little bit more about the KomaKoma app for your kindergarten classroom. Leave me a comment down below. What would you use this app for? If you do like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you want to see more from the DDSB early years, make sure you are following us on YouTube. We put out new videos all the time about what you can be doing in your kindergarten classroom. If you want to follow us on social media, we are on Instagram and Twitter at DDSB Early Years. Thank you.